In this video, I'll be reviewing Zenbot, a powerful open-source trading bot designed to automate your cryptocurrency trading. If you're familiar with trading bots, you may have heard of Zenbot before, but in this review, I'll walk you through everything from setup to performance and help you understand its true potential. Zenbot is unique because it is open source, which gives you a lot of flexibility and customization options. Setting it up can take a bit of technical know-how, especially if you're new to using bots. I'll show you step-by-step how to get started, so don't worry if you're not a tech expert. You'll need to have Node.js and a few other dependencies installed. But once that's done, Zenbot offers various configuration options for different exchanges. When it comes to features, Zenbot supports multiple strategies for trading, including market making, trend following, and arbitrage. It works with several popular exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase Pro, and Kraken, which are among the most widely used in the crypto community. I'll explain each strategy, so you'll know which one suits your trading style best. One of the things that really impressed me about Zenbot is its backtesting functionality. You can test your trading strategies using historical data before going live, which is crucial for minimizing risks. The bot also supports real-time trading, so once you set up your strategies, it can operate without your constant supervision. Many useful links can be found in the description below, which might help you with your setup or provide additional resources to enhance your trading experience. Overall, Zenbot is a great option for traders looking for a highly customizable and free open-source trading bot. While it may require some technical skill to set up, its performance and flexibility make it an excellent choice for those who want to take their crypto trading to the next level. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews on trading bots, cryptocurrency tools, and tips for successful trading.